I'm going to be talking about the USB essential oil diffuser and why we should bring it into the workplace. Starting off with my agenda, I'm going to talk about what the product is and what it's formulated to do first. I'm then going to talk about possible solutions and alternatives to it. I'm going to go a little bit into the criteria and its evaluation, and I'm going to finish off with the conclusion and final recommendation. So first off, how can you treat stress-induced symptoms naturally? A lot of people turn to medication as a form of treatment for quick and easy relief of stress-induced symptoms. However, the USB essential oil diffuser would provide a more healthy and natural way to provide relief of these symptoms through a form of aromatherapy, which involves the inhalation of essential oils through a distillation of steam, which in the end would improve a person's mood and physical state. So bringing this into the workplace would greatly benefit with reduced anxiety, boosted energy levels, boosted cognitive performance, the curing of headaches, and increased circulation. And it would also bring a lot of benefits outside the workplace that will affect a person's overall performance, such as induced sleep and ease depression. Going into my thesis statement, bringing in the USB essential oil diffuser to the workplace will help improve the overall health of workers through a convenient form of aromatherapy, therefore improving the efficiency and productivity of their work. So alternatives to the USB essential oil diffuser would be massaging the actual essential oils into certain problem areas to help relieve stress points, which would be effective, but it could be a little bit distracting and time-consuming in the workplace, as would an air humidifier. Whereas it would be effective, however, it could be very distracting and noisy in the workplace, so it wouldn't make it as practical. The USB essential oil diffuser is definitely a natural and healthy fix. It's very portable and silent. You can take it anywhere and it won't be much of a distraction. And it's also pretty inexpensive and user-friendly. You can get it for as little as $3.99 on Amazon, and the price really varies depending on its size and the certain functions. But for the most part, it's pretty affordable. There have been many studies showing the effectiveness of aromatherapy. This is a study based on the course of 2 weeks of 10 students who have had their energy levels, anxiety levels, sleep quality, muscle tension, and stress level monitored and tested through aromatherapy. And it basically shows the effectiveness of the treatment, showing the stress levels and the anxiety levels and muscle tension and everything involving stress-induced symptoms to be lowered through the aromatherapy sessions. This is basically just a visual showing what happens once you breathe in the essential oils through the distillation of steam from the diffuser. It basically goes through your head, affects your entire body in a positive manner. Finally, I believe it's a natural and healthy fix to health issues that a lot of people in the workplace get, like stress, sleep quality, low energy, poor cognitive performance, and a lot more. They're easy to use, they're portable, they're cost efficient, and they're easily personalized. So if you know you have a certain symptom that you want a fix for, there definitely will be an essential oil for you that would help treat the symptom. And these are my references.